Welcome to 1600 Arlington Business Park, Theale, located moments from junction 12 of the M4 and a short walk from Theale station. We're currently offering between 19,000 and 58,000 square foot of fully fitted, high quality office space. Let's take a look.
Companies looking to reward their staff and visitors for their commute can offer this amazing arrival experience. Staff enter through the speed gates, visitors into the business lounge where they can make a coffee, read newspapers, or just catch up on their emails. One of the unique features of this building and its breakout area is this very long breakfast bar, which is the longest in the UK. Fancy a coffee?
Cheers.
As I mentioned, it's pretty long. The fit-out has been curated with health and well-being at its core, and in doing so, provides large breakout space along with hot food room, a library, a garden room and contemplation space, and extensive lakeside views.
The floor plates have been designed for contemporary working practices, which include open plan workstations, hot desking, focus booths and touchdown points, T-point breakout zones throughout, secure working room, collaboration zones, and newly modelled WCs and showers. The building has a variety of meeting rooms, from one-person Zoom booths, boardrooms,
and an up to 200-person auditorium. Can you hear me at the back? I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you like what you saw, please get in touch with the contact details.